Hi, this is the tutorial for how to CC someone on an email, and I'll include BCC as a freebie. CC stands for carbon copy. It's a super old school term that probably wouldn't make any sense to you if I tried to explain it, because a carbon copy is a very old school thing. But basically it was this like piece of inky paper that you would put between two other pieces of paper, and when you wrote on the first one, the inky paper beneath it would like transfer whatever you wrote to the thing below, creating a second copy. That's a carbon copy, and it's just like some language that is carried over. Here is how you CC someone on an email. What it means in email lingo is simply that you are like adding someone to an email. And the only reason you would use a CC over a just direct to function instead of just directly addressing it to them is if the email isn't so much intended for them to respond to, but you just want them to see it. So for example, I am going to use one of my pretend book clubs. I'm going to use my 7R book club. In 7R, Avia, Jake, and Ella are all reading Unwind with me. In fact, they lapped me a long time ago, but they're reading Unwind. And at first they were in my book club. So I'm going to insert their names here because this is like your job today, right? Is to email your book clubs. So here we go. Avia, Ella, Jake. I hope y'all are okay with me using you as my examples. Okay, there we go. Avia, Ella, and Jake. These are the people who are in my book club. Now I'm putting them in the to address because this email is to all three of them. Now I'm going to hit CC, add CC recipients. That's right here. Click it. And then the CC line pops up. And under the CC line, you are going to add in anyone else who you might want to just have read this email, which in this case for this assignment is simply me. So that is Jory McDonald at rdschool.org. Now, I don't want you to use this function today, but while I'm doing a tutorial, I feel like I may as well just tell you that BCC stands for blind carbon copy. And what BCC does is if you are emailing people and you want to CC them, but you don't want anybody to see who you've CC'd, you could put it here. So let's say that you were emailing your group members and it was like some secret that you were carbon copying me. You didn't want them to know that you had like clued me in on this. You could do it to BCC. But that's not what we're doing today. So let's not worry about it. I am going to just drag my name right back up to CC. There's another fun fact that you can like literally drag names around if you want to. There's some cool tutorialing for you. And, you know, another good email convention is that you always put a title in your email. So the title for this email will be Unwind Book Club Check-in. What's up, friends? Now, I will be CC'd on your emails. Please make sure that you are not spamming your friends and that you're actually following what I've asked you to do. Please also make sure that you are abiding by the school handbook. And, you know, it's okay to have fun like I did with What's Up, Friends. But, you know, be mindful that you are being kind to each other and respecting each other's time and using the email function appropriately. Okay? All right. Ciao. I hope that tutorial helped.